big flood, Friday the 13th, 2011. See these trees? They're not normally in the water. That tree there? Yeah, well, it looks kind of dead, but it used to be standing. This is my fence. I hope none of these trees fall because they're holding my fence. But if you look down there, you can see that my fence goes underwater. And it's acting like a big filter. And so it's going to be covered with shit when it's over with. Unfortunately, I'm up high. But the neighbors, not so lucky. There's a lot of people over in the front, and I feel bad for them. I have a steep hillside on my side, so it diverts the water away and heads out over this floodplain, which is probably 1,000 yards wide, and I'd say this is 1,000 yards wide. This is normally a 10-inch creek. And we got a deep spot down below. It's 5 foot deep. You see my fence post? That's a 5 foot fence. So I'm surprised I don't see too many of my trees down. Well, I do cut them down. See the tree line on the other side? That's the other side of the creek. Wow. It hasn't even really rained that much lately. It's just that there was so much at once. This rock right here, to me, is like, if it gets around this rock, that's beyond any record we've seen here before. That's a big sycamore. It's probably 20 inches in diameter. They do break loose on occasion. Even bigger than that I've seen come down here. I tried walking this edge down here, but there's like spots where you step in. I already overflowed my boots a couple times on this. There's a house over there. Yeah. They had that replaced after the last flood, and they built it up higher on a foundation, but it still went over. This is the old road here that leads up to my house. If it comes up to my parking lot, we need to pray because it's all over for everybody. Alright. We'll get a vantage point up here on my land. Of some of the flood. Wow. I think that just might be higher than anything I've ever seen. On this one, you know. I've been places where there's floods before. I've lived all over. Wow. I don't know if you can see that shed over there. The camera won't let me zoom while I'm recording. But I'm surprised it ain't floated away. The neighbor's pool did float away like a boat. Yeah, I didn't get that on camera though. Okay. These are my horseshoe pits. I don't even see them. Twice I drug this bench to higher ground. My horseshoe pits are right there. Look, there's my cornfield. Guess that'll probably be good for it because I plan after the holiday. Except here's my fence down here. It comes around and does a curve, so it's like a big giant screen. Over there it looks like a big huge tree laying across my fence. I hope it moves before the water comes down. Those are all black locusts. They don't seem to mind at all. And the willows, what do you call them, what? Black willow? They don't mind either. And some kind of garbage tree, I don't know what it's called. There's some of my metal. I can't believe it. Wow. It could well be a record. Me, I live this way. Up there. Let me see, can I shade you? Guess not. Alright. Alright. Have a nice day.